Hi, my Koala Nation. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a mukbang video for you guys. Yeah, it's not an ASMR video. I know I said I was going to post it like ASMR every time, but I decided to do a different video. Yes, I do use pillows because it will be a little bit taller. But I'm on my knees right now. Just kidding. This is my knees. This is sitting down. This is actually sitting down, but let's just get on. So I have pizza. Yes, that's really good. And I got some water. So yeah. Today we're just gonna be. Why am I eating like this? Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to be just I just felt right there that I was doing an ASMR video. We're just gonna be reading some, not really reading, but like, yeah, kind of like a Q&A and a mukbang. But yeah, um, mine, okay, my name is Roger. It's a weird name, but, and I'm Puerto Rican, just if you know. If you didn't know, I'm Puerto Rican. I've been on YouTube for about, since I erased all my videos, I'd probably say like it's like brand new channel because I changed my channel name and everything. I'd probably say like for 4 or something days, but I've been in the community for a long time, but I just erased the videos and start over. I don't know why, but yeah. And I have one pet. One of my gecko died. So yeah, I only one pet. My favorite food is pizza. Okay. My favorite animal is a koala. Not surprising, right? No. Okay. Just. Oh my god. That's why my YouTube channel name is Koala ASMR Sleep. It's a really weird channel name. But okay. Who cares? I have one brother and 2 god brothers. I have a dad and a mom and a god mom and a god dad. And I have been to different countries. I've been to Florida, I've been to New York, New Jersey, New Mexico, and I've been I haven't been to New Mexico, and I have been to Pennsylvania. Those are all the cities or countries that I've been to, or islands. I think Puerto Rico is an island. I was born there, but I don't know much about it. I know the places because my lamp is being so annoying. I know a couple of places like San Juan, Aguadilla, Cabo Rojo, Monte Grande, Guayanilla. Yeah. I know some beaches too. I know Bullet, La Mela, La Mora. I don't know more. I have, oh my God, 6 aunties from my mom's side and 1 auntie that passed away from my dad's side. I have 6 No, I actually have more. I have like about 10 aunties and 10 uncles. Wow. That's a lot. And then have a lot of cousins. I have a lot. That's just my floor. I'm just rocking on my floor. Yeah, that's mostly it. I don't have any relationships. I'm too young, I believe so. Because I'm only 10 years old. Yeah. And, yeah. I've been to, those were to the places, and gotta know me a little bit, guys, so, yeah. By Coordination, I love you so much, and be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and press your post notification so you can get notified every time I post a brand new video. So I hope you enjoyed. Bye. I love you guys, Coordination.